Welcome to Stayf Draws. I'm Stefan de Groot, an illustrator and animator, and in this video I'm going to show you a portrait I've drawn in Procreate. This is one of my first portraits I'm drawing on the iPad in Procreate. I've always dreaded drawing portraits, especially in a realistic style. That's one of the hardest things to draw, because everyone knows what a face looks like, and when something is off, you will see it right away. If you think you can't do something, you probably can. The only way to find out is just to do it. Overcome your fear and just try. What's the worst thing that can happen? That you fail? Failure is the best way to learn. If you just keep doing things you've always done before, you won't improve. You will maintain your talent, but you will keep the same skills. Do you ever let fear get in the way to do something? Please let me know in the comments. So, I just started making this portrait. I've always been a big fan of the drawing and studies of Michelangelo. Most of them are done in red pencil and have a very organic feel to them. For this portrait I wanted to achieve the same effect. In drawing this portrait I'm more focused on the tonal feel and the shadows that fall on the face. I'm using the 6B pencil in Procreate. To make it more feel like drawing on paper, I added a paper structure on the bottom layer. The great thing about drawing with the Apple Pencil is that you can also draw with the tilted side. That creates a more subtle pencil, where you can gradually build up your shades. Until now, I've never used screen protectors before, but I'm now testing out the screen protector that has some structure to it. When drawing on paper with a pencil, you will always have some resistance when you press harder. The surface of the iPad is very smooth, and so is the Apple Pencil. When you draw on the iPad, it feels like you're skating. I got used to it. Until I got this screen protector by Paperlike to test out. For the first time it feels like drawing with a pencil on paper. It even sounds like it. Next week I'll do a review about Paperlike, so stay tuned. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to hit that notification bell, because each time I upload a new video, you get a notification. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Portrait turned out okay. I'll make a better one next time. If you want to learn everything about drawing and painting in Procreate, you can buy Procreate for Video Manual on iBooks or on Vimeo On Demand. Drawing is fun, and practice makes perfect. See you next time. Doodles!